AutoDS versus USADrop for dropshipping detailed comparison. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we'll compare two the most popular dropshipping automation platforms on the market. Both platforms offer a range of features to help you start and grow your dropshipping business, but what are the key differences between the two platforms and which one is right for you? So we'll take a look at overviews, unique features, pros, cons. Also we'll take a look at their prices, and basically let's start from overview of AutoDS. AutoDS is a dropshipping automation platform that helps you automate your dropshipping business. With AutoDS, you can find and import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store or other stores, process order automatically, track orders and shipments, manage inventory levels, send automated emails to your customers. AutoDS also offers a range of integrations with other popular dropshipping tools and services. This makes it easy to connect your AutoDS account to your other business tools. And what about USADrop? USADrop is a dropshipping automation platform that helps you automate your dropshipping business. With USADrop, you can find and import products from US suppliers to your Shopify store, process orders automatically, track orders and shipments, manage inventory levels, send automated emails to customers. So USADrop also offers a range of integrations with other popular dropshipping tools and services. This makes it easy to connect your USADrop account to your other business tools. So let's start from common features. Both of them are there common features such as product importing, order processing, inventory management, shipping tracking, customer support. But also they have unique features like AutoDS has automated order processing, product research tool, AliExpress integration, and dropshipping integration. And USADrop instead, it has US-based suppliers, fast shipping times, no minimum order quantity, and they have branded packaging, so it's really important. What about prices? Basically, AutoDS, you can try to use it for free for 1 month. Use the link in the description to get these conditions to get AutoDS. And USADrop, you can also try to use it for free, but then you just simply need to use the paid plan. Let's take a look at the pros. AutoDS, automated order processing, product research tool, AliExpress integration, dropshipping automation. But cons: limited store customization options, no built-in payment processing, and fewer marketing and SEO tools. For USADrop, it's also US-based suppliers, fast shipping times, no minimum order quantity, branded packaging. And cons: more expensive than AutoDS, fewer integrations with other dropshipping tools and services, and less user-friendly than AutoDS. In conclusion, we can say that both of them are powerful dropshipping automation platforms. However, they are best suited for different types of businesses. AutoDS is a good choice for business that wants to automate their dropshipping operations and source products from AliExpress. AutoDS offers a range of features that can help you to save time and money. USADrop is a good choice for businesses that want to source products from US suppliers and offer fast shipping times. USADrop offers a range of features that can help you grow your business, such as brand packaging and no minimum order quantity. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your individual needs and budget, so use the links in the description to join AutoDS. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.